I want to congratulate the finals MVP, Katie Smith. Team captain, Cheryl Ford. And all the other women that make this such an outstanding team. So, first of all, I want to congratulate Sidney Crosby on becoming the youngest captain in history to win the Stanley. And others among you, the Night Dippers, were part of the carrier group that brought our captain home. Reggie played on the 2001 National Championship team, and he was a team captain in 2005. I know she's probably sick of hearing that story, but I have to single out your captain, Christy Rampone. Team captain, Diana Taurasi, was named regular season and WNBA Finals MVP this year. I want to congratulate the Super Bowl MVP, your quarterback, your captain, Drew Brees. Harry started fishing as a deckhand back in 1978, and he's been captain for the past 3 decades, making his living on the water. Husband, Mark Kelly, is a Navy captain and one of America's valiant astronauts. Players like 22-year-old captain Jonathan Taves, who lit up the ice on his way to being named. So this is a testament to players like Pablo, the captain, who played 286 games over 13 years before finally earning a title. Have you guys seen the Sports Center ad where it's ESPN, where it starts doing the dance? Now, underneath Brian's beard and the spandex tuxedo and the sea captain costume and the cleats with his face on them is also one of the most dominant closers in baseball. And then there's the captain, Landon Donovan, who has done more for American soccer than just about anybody. And over the past year, he's been a football captain who cheered from the sidelines when he couldn't play. All of a sudden, you weren't the only high school sports captain. You weren't the only student council president. Here at the academy, Brad Snyder was the captain of the swim team.
There's not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul.
They're about the shy freshman who develops into a team captain, the underdog who learns how to play in the spotlight and learns how to slay the giant, the role player who fights through an injury to play on senior day.